Have you ever seen a flower so graceful it can turn a simple pond or garden into a paradise? What if I told you the same flower could also bring you profit? Today, we are diving into the beautiful world of lily farming, a crop that combines elegance, fragrance, and great income potential. So, are you ready to let your fields bloom with beauty and profit? Let's begin. Lilies are timeless, loved for weddings, decor, and festivals. Their year round demand makes them a smart choice for both gardeners and commercial growers. They bring steady income while adding unmatched beauty to your farm. Lilies prefer mild climates between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius. Avoid extreme heat or frost to protect the bulbs. Use well drained, slightly acidic soil with a pH of 6 to 6.5. Mix in compost or well rotted manure and ensure good drainage because standing water can easily rot lily buds. Lilies love sunlight. Give them at least 6 hours of sun daily. Partial to full sun works best. Keep the soil moist, not soggy. Water early in the morning to reduce fungal problems. Good drainage is a key. Lilies don't like wet fields. Always choose healthy, disease-free bulbs from trusted source. Here are three popular varieties. Asiatic lilies, which is bright and easy to grow. Oriental lilies, which is fragrant and elegant. Trumpet lilies, which have large blooms with a strong scent. Plant bulbs 4 to 6 inches deep, spaced 8 to 12 inches apart. Cover with soil and water thoroughly after planting. Apply a balanced NPK fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Avoid excess fertilizer to keep plants sturdy. Watch for aphids, slugs, and lily beetles. Use neem oil or other organic sprays for control. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases. Tall varieties may need staking for support. Remove wilted flowers regularly to encourage new blooms. Harvest lilies when buds show color but haven't opened. Cut stems at an angle and place them in water immediately. Store flowers to 4 to 7 degrees Celsius for longer freshness. Remove lower leaves to improve vase life. Sell directly to florists, nurseries, or online buyers. Highlight what makes your lily special. And that's your complete guide to lily farming. From soil to bloom, it's a journey filled with color, learning, and rewarding. Remember, farming is both an art and a science. So experiment, stay curious, and watch your garden come alive. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow nature lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more inspiring farming stories and guides.